Your digital marketing strategies are absolutely crucial for your foundation repair contractor business in today's world. Regardless of where the customer finds you or finds out about you, they're going to go to your website. They're going to look at your reviews before they even call you. So your online presence is absolutely critical. And please don't skip the basics. Take a look at your website. Is it a professional looking website? Because that's your storefront in today's world. And then look at your Google listing. Is it filled out? Do you have 50 or more pictures in there? Is there lots of information that's helpful? And then another really basic area to look at is look at your reviews versus your competitors. What's your rating at and how many reviews do you have? It's really important that you get a lot of 5-star reviews, and you really need to create a company culture of continuing to grow your customer reviews. So start with the basics, and please don't ever undervalue your online presence.